Looking for a speaker system that combines powerful sound with sleek, space-saving design? The Pyle 8 inches in wall and in ceiling speakers deliver just that, offering a wide frequency response from 55 Hz to 22 kHz and a peak power handling of 300 watts. Whether you want rich background music or immersive surround sound, these speakers promise clear, responsive audio without taking up extra room. What makes these speakers stand out is their thoughtful design. Featuring a 1-inch titanium dome tweeter, they provide crisp highs while the 8-inch mid-bass driver handles deeper tones with surprising strength. The flush mount design means you can install them directly into your walls or ceilings, creating a clean, modern look without bulky equipment. Plus, with an impedance rating of 4 to 8 ohms, they're compatible with a wide range of amplifiers and receivers, making them versatile for many setups. Installation is straightforward thanks to included cutout templates and easy-to-use speaker terminals. The speakers measure 10 3/4 in diameter and 3.5 in depth, with a cutout size of 9 3/8 diameter, fitting standard wall and ceiling cavities. Locking clips secure the speakers tightly to drywall, ensuring a stable mount that won't rattle or loosen over time. This means less hassle and more time enjoying your favorite music or movies. One user from the United States praised these speakers for their excellent surround sound performance with an old Pioneer receiver. They highlighted how the speakers deliver good bass response for their size, clear directional tweeter sound, and no distortion even at higher volumes. Using 4 of these speakers for a 5.1 setup, they appreciated the balanced audio and easy installation process. While a separate subwoofer was needed for deep bass thumps, the Pyle speakers handled mids and highs beautifully. If you want a reliable speaker system that blends seamlessly into your home while delivering rich, detailed sound, Pyle's 8 inches flush mount speakers are worth a look. They offer both the power and clarity you need for music, movies, or gaming without complicated setup or bulky gear. Plus, the flexible installation options let you customize your space exactly how you want it. Ready to upgrade your audio experience? Try the Pyle 8 inches in wall, in ceiling speakers when you're ready to enjoy impressive sound quality paired with a clean, professional installation. Whether it's for a home theater, multi-room music, or surround sound system, these speakers provide what you need: clear, powerful sound that fits your lifestyle.